What are we doing here today?
Watching jets fly.
Jets fly. What jets?
I forgot.
The blue ones.
Oh yeah, those.
Yeah, the blue engines.
Leave me alone. You know I'm not. You know that's not my field of expertise.
It's okay. I got you. Blue engines.
Sure, blue angels.
All right. We're here. We're actually at Dayland on the roof of the parking garage at Dayland, just waiting for the blue angels to come by so I can bring it to you guys in the channel for those of you that couldn't get out. So stay tuned, they're coming. I guess the news got out that blue angels were actually gonna fly by because there is people here that actually came to do the same thing. So yeah, they're almost here. We're waiting a couple of more minutes, they'll be here. Get ready, guys. Get ready, here they come. They're going around downtown Miami again. That's the big loop that they were doing. I thought they were coming, but no. They're doing the big loop. They turn off the smoke, but they're still coming this way. They're over there by those buildings, coming this way. They're gonna come from behind those two buildings. Here they are, coming from outside the buildings. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Guys, it was amazing. I'm still here because the return flight back to Boca is actually should be close by, so we should be able to actually see them fly by again. So I'm gonna actually stay here and see if I can see them again for a little bit. But actually there is a lot of people, look, and that's not only, look at the other parking lot on the other side is like full of cars, full of people, you know, watching this. And this was pretty cool, but I know it has a significance to have one of the blue angels fly from way behind the group. I know it has a meaning. If you know what the meaning is, place it on the comments, because I know it's something special, and it's really cool that actually they actually did that on this flyby. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna stay here for a couple of more minutes, see if they fly by again, and if they do, I'll have it for you guys. That's the return fly, guys. And again, you have all of them there, and then you have one that is flying from behind. That is really cool. Really, really cool. That is awesome. Okay, that was a surprise. I was not ready for that one. I thought it was gonna be way farther away, and it was actually right there. And obviously they come with no noise whatsoever, so you couldn't even see that they were coming up. But I got a little bit of piece of that for you guys. They're returning to base, and I hope you guys like it. And again, let me down on the comments what does it mean to have one jet flowing from all the way behind the group. Okay, see you next time. Bye.